put the dummy cards in there so you know to slide that bad boy right there to get your cards out. That is nice. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be checking out one of the most fanciest wallets that I ever saw on screen, but I never saw it in person until now. Well, I still haven't seen it until we unbox it. But before we get started, I want to say and give a shout out to MTR from posting a link on his channel, which made this unboxing possible. I wouldn't say possible, but it gave me the push to go ahead and buy it. So what am I talking about, you ask? Okay, here is MTR, and he gave a code for Christmas holidays, and believe it or not, I just ordered this particular item and it came in within 4 or 5 days. I can't remember exactly. Whenever he posted this video right here, I saw it, I put in the code, and I immediately bought the wallet. I will say this though, my brother, that is not a 50% discount, but I'll take it, man. But anyway, a discount is a discount. Shout out, brother. Let's get into the box, right? Unboxed therapy knife. Now, I am familiar with wallets like this. I actually bought a bunch of low budget ones on Amazon, but I never pulled the trigger on this particular one because at the particular time I wanted all of them and I wanted to buy them all at the same time. I'm glad he showed us that discount code so I could get this bad boy. This is a fancy box. I wish I could reuse this somehow. But anyway, let's get inside of this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, already. Let's see. All right, let's see what that says there. Can my camera, is my camera gonna play nice? I don't think he can even focus on that. Let's see if I can see this. Thank you for choosing us to improve your everyday carry. Nice, nice. Thank y'all. That box feels beautiful. Just the texture and everything, man, is amazing. Let's leave him off to the side over there. Nice little wrapping. I will say this, it does look a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Man, hold up. Okay, so this is my wallet as of right now. Let's get this trash out of the way. Okay, so this is the size of my wallet right now. Man, look at this. They're about what and what, but you clearly see that this is a lot wider. This is fancy, man. Okay, and as you can see, you have the little band for money. You can fold up the money in a trifold and put it right there. Got room for credit cards, and they put the dummy cards in there so you know to slide that bad boy right there to get your cards out. That is nice. And we look like we have some discounts, so I'm gonna show those in a minute so you guys can take advantage of that, because I don't plan on buying another one because the other ones don't have a spot for the AirTag. And again, I gotta have that AirTag, man. I have to have it. And as you can see, you slide it in. I mean, nothing major, man. This is not gonna be a long video. I always wanted one of these particular wallets, and I cannot remember which one I ordered. Okay, so this particular wallet is the Parliament wallet, but this one just so happens to have the AirTag slot, which is the only one that I would have bought anyway. So as you can see, the cards just pop right out. Boom. Man, as soon as you walk up, boom, you're ready to go. This is relatively nice and what I like to see in a wallet. I wish that would hold down a lot more than it does though. I gotta get used to that. Maybe in my pocket I won't have an issue with it. Hopefully so. So let's see what these gift cards are right here. Let's see, 10% off. There you guys go. You can use this code to get 10% off of your purchases. The code is right there. First come, first serve. Remember that. Just the 10% discount right there. You can take your phone if you're watching on the computer and pause it, scan it, and you want to probably try to use this right away just in case somebody else tries to jump off of there. MTR was able to give me a discount, a relatively big discount on this bad boy, and allowed me to pull the trigger. Hopefully this 10% discount will allow you to pull the trigger on getting one of these beautiful wallets. What I want to do before I get out of here, I do want to try to slap that AirTag in and see how easy that will be. Now, I will buy another AirTag because I don't like how this one is looking on me. Let's try to slap this in here. Let's see, I see a tab. Boom. just went right in. And now I'll be able to track that AirTag down because it's attached to my wallet. So in turn, I'll be tracking down my wallet. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this particular wallet. Would you cop one? Is this feature at the bottom enough to get it? Let me know in the comment section. This your boy Tate. I'm gone. And once again, shout out to MTR. Peace.